Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm back with another unboxing from Jeff's Famous Beef Jerky, and I'm so excited. Do you want to know what's in my box this time? Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so this just arrived and Jeff's Famous Beef Jerky did send this to me. It wasn't for review, but thank you so much for sending me a box. I'm definitely going to show my viewers, even though that's not what this was intended for. They wanted to show their appreciation and send me a thank you box for the videos that I've already showed you guys, which I got the products in that video for that. I don't need anything else, so I'm so grateful and thankful that this box right here showed up, and I'm like, this can't just be like a one bag of beef jerky thank you kind of thing. So I wanted to sit down and film this with you guys. So I haven't opened it yet. I don't even know what's in it, but I can tell it's stuffed. Like, looks like the box has a little bit of hard time closing 100%. So obviously it's full of something, and I want to show you what it's full of. So if you do not know about Jeff's Famous Beef Jerky, you should. I've done a few videos already. If you haven't seen those, this is the best beef jerky I've ever tasted, like ever. And the bacon jerky, oh my gosh, like phenomenal is not even the correct word for this. This is just amazing. It's not even amazing, it's more than amazing. It's the best bacon I have ever eaten. Jerky or regular, fresh cooked, whatever you want to call it. It's just the best bacon period that I've ever had. And I absolutely love this stuff. So I will have them linked down below. And they do have a code, which is off 10. And I think I said that in my last video, but in my description box, I'm sorry, one of y'all caught me. I swapped it. I mean, I'm notorious for that. That's just something that my brain does sometimes. It just switches things around. So I'm sorry, but it is off 10. 10 off. It's 10. See, there I go again. It's 10 off to get 10% off. If one doesn't work, try the other one. It's one of the two, 100%. I think it is definitely 10 off. And they have amazing little gift packs that they curated for Christmas ideas, like just different variety packs. They are super cool. I showed you and told you about every single one of them in the last video. But this is the best beef jerky that I've ever had. And I'm so glad that they found me, because they have a new customer in me for sure. I've done my own orders. You guys have too. And I'm absolutely loving it. But it's not just beef jerky. They have brisket. They have turkey. They have bacon, which I can't stop talking about the bacon. They have meat sticks. There's jellies, jams, candies, cookies. They have so much different stuff. There's wild game. So you can get, I think there's gator. There's so many different things that you can get on their site. There's even vegetarian. So if you want, everything will be down below. Check them out, and 10 off. 10 off. We'll get you 10% off. Or you can go ahead and sign up for their newsletter, and whenever they have really good deals or exciting things coming, they will email you, and that's where you can find the deepest discounts. So if you do want to sign up, if you're not ready now, you can sign up, and then whenever they do send you something, if you see a deal you can't pass up, then grab it at that time. But again, everything will be down below, and they tape their boxes like I do. My tape has tape. What? My tape has tape. Yes. Okay. So see, I told you the box barely closed. They had to put a little thing here to trick the eye to make it seem like it closed all the way. I do that same thing. They always say if it fits, it ships, and by all means, I'm gonna make sure that bitch fits. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up. You do have like a business card and a sticker down inside of here, which is super cool that they add. And then here's some jerky. Okay, there's some bacon. My favorite, bacon. And then I even said in my last video that my man's uncle, he doesn't eat beef. And so I said he doesn't eat beef, but I was talking about the bacon. And one of you guys were like, Tracy, that's pork. That's not beef. Wrong animal. I get that. Yes, again, my brain sometimes says the wrong things, but he does not. The only thing he eats is chicken and fish. So anything comes from this box except the turkey. He eats turkey. He does not eat. So he does not eat bacon. He doesn't eat beef, brisket, any of that. And he loves this stuff, the bacon and the regular beef jerky. He will devour, and he'll ask for more. And if I'm out, like one point when I was out and I was waiting for my order, he was a little disappointed I didn't have it. And I'm like, sorry. So he doesn't eat beef or pork. Sorry. Y'all, you know, nothing can go past you guys. Like, I can say one thing wrong and it's like 10 comments in my comment section. If you don't know, I really don't mind if I say things wrong. That's just me. So here's the first one right here, which is bacon jerky. This is the maple brown sugar. If you don't like any spice at all, this would be your favorite new BFF right here. It is so, so good. I do see my favorite though. It's right underneath it, which is the sriracha style. This gives it a little bit of sweet heat. Nothing too spicy whatsoever. The first time I tried it, I was like, you're not even hot at all. But it's like a perfect combination with the little bit of spicy with a little bit of sweet. This one is my favorite. There's a jalapeno one too that is so, so good. But any of the bacon, you will not go wrong with. I love every single flavor. And I wish at one point, hopefully, they might come out with another flavor because I think there's only 3 or 4 of them. And I love this stuff so much. So maybe one day there'll be another flavor coming out. I don't know. That's just my hoping. I can hope, right? So now we have is my favorite when it comes to the beef jerky. Yes, the beef part now. This is the black pepper and sea salt. And this is just super, super good. And I even said in this original video that my man, he normally does not like any of the pepper. I love pepper jerky. I just liked the way that it tastes, but he doesn't. But for some reason, however they make this, he absolutely loves this one right here. And I was like, there's black pepper. He's like, I don't care. And goes, it's amazing. So this is the black pepper and sea salt, which is phenomenal. So we have another maple brown sugar bacon jerky. We have another black pepper sea salt. They're pulling all my strings with my favorites. And then here's another honey glazed sriracha style black pepper. Oh, and there's a box in here. Limited edition collectible mugs and coasters. Did they send me the bacon one? They did, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the last time they sent me the neatest box, it was a collector's wooden box. And I read all the other different sets, and some of them had coasters, some of them had a magnet, but it was the same concept with like the wooden, it was engraved, it was just beautiful. I loved it. They had a set that had coasters and mugs, and that's what they sent to me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to get to show you this because I thought this was super, super cute, especially if it was a gift for a couple, because there's 2 mugs. One says bacon and one says beef. So you can have your own mug. They're not exactly the same. You know whose is whose. Don't touch my bacon. I'll cut you. Don't touch my bacon. I thought that was just really neat. Or if you're just giving it to somebody, they can have both mugs. You know, if it is a gift idea for someone that's not a couple. But I just thought that was really neat that there's 2 different styles in this particular kit. But they have so many different ones to offer. And I'm so excited to show you. So when you first, oh, how cool are these? These are the coasters, you guys. Let me show you. I'm so excited. It's the little things that excite me. I swear, it's the little things that excite me. And I'm excited. How cool is that? So here's the coasters, you guys. It does have the little cork on the bottom, and then it's engraved where it says the beef jerky. It's award-winning. Don't forget that. Award-winning Jeff's Famous Beef Jerky Super Premium. And one thing my man said is that everybody can give a 5-star review if you're just, you know, you're just satisfied. But with this company, we were more than satisfied. So he's like, they need to have another star. Like, there should be a 6-star, a 10-star, some other kind of star where there's more than 5 for those just rare companies that do definitely deserve that extra star because they need to stand out more. So it's 5-star, but we wish that we could add another star to that. But isn't that so neat? I like those. Oh my gosh. That would even be good to put in his man cave, so he can have like the little wooden coasters in there with him. But let me show you the mugs. Oh my gosh. Oh, and these are a good size. These aren't just small little mugs. See, seeing things in your hand is definitely different than seeing them online. And that's so cute how they did package it up. So with this set, you get the 2 mugs, the 2 coasters, and you get bags of jerky. I thought there was all bacon, but maybe it's beef and bacon because one says bacon. Yes, the one that said you had me at bacon was all about bacon, and it had just the bacon one. This one comes with the bacon and the beef, so you get the beef and the bacon jerky that goes with it. And I believe you can select those because a lot of them you could select your bags that you wanted, so you can get the flavors that you would like to try. So, oh my gosh, these are so cool. So we have the beef and we have the bacon. Freshly delicious. And this one says, you had me at bacon. That's just so cute. I love that saying from the first time I read that from their variety pack. You had me at bacon. And they did. As soon as I tried that bacon, they had me. They had me at bacon for sure. But these are super cool. These are big. That's what she said. These are big. They are nice, tall, big, deep glasses. Like, that's so cool. We got a his and hers. I got the bacon. He can have the beef. He can have the beef. I'll have the bacon. Woo! Good morning. It is early morning on Sunday morning. I'm starting my day off early because I have things I got to do. I'm going to Michael's. I'm going to start a new project. So I wanted to sit down and show you what was in here before I walked out the door to start my day of everything I had to do. But, that is so cool. Thank you so much. You did not need to send me another set, but I greatly, greatly do appreciate it. And I'm so glad that I can at least show you guys what this set is about because I just was able to show you a picture of the coasters and the mugs, and it's just so much better to show you in person. That is super, super neat. You guys, these are amazing gift ideas. Grab them before they sell out. Get them. They ship super fast, so you don't have to worry about that. When you place your order, they ship very, very fast. It comes out of California, so depending on where you are, go ahead and grab them so you have it before Christmas if you're going to give this for a gift idea. And 10 off will get you 10% off, and it does work on these as well. So that is awesome. So again, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. I wanted to definitely show you what was in this big ol' overstuffed full box, and I'm so glad that I did, and I'm so thankful that they did send this to me so I can show you another set. So thank you guys so much. You did not need to do that at all, but I greatly do appreciate it, and I got to show you guys, so I'm ecstatic. So that is everything. I do little dances too. Like, what in the world does this do to me? I'm telling you, I love their bacon. So that is everything for this particular video. You guys comment down below. Let me know, have you tried them out yet? Do you want to? Did you build a cart? Are you waiting? I mean, I know a lot of you guys wanted to check it out after Christmas because a lot of people are spending a lot of money right now, me included. I understand. I completely understand. But at some point, if you do ever try them, let me know what you think because this is the best company that I found. 2 thumbs up. If I had more, can I put my toes up? Can I put 2 toes up too to give you 4? So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew. Out.